So I've been working on this very nice latest edition 1 Defender 110 Octa. You won't probably have seen many of these on the road. It's certainly the first one that we've had in. It's got some really lovely sort of details on here. But the reason why I'm just doing this video is that we've just installed the latest Go security into this vehicle, but we've also done our trademark dash camera installation, which I just wanted to show you here. So obviously we've got the rear camera there, as you can see, no cabling, all the wiring will go through this particular area into the back of the vehicle. And I'll show you again, we'll just pan around to a lovely shot of this absolute monster here. And then I'll just show you in here. We've basically got the latest generation DR970X LTE. So this has got full cloud connectivity, so the customer can log in when he wishes to see anything, and also if there is anything happens to the vehicle, he'll get full notification in there. So if you've got a Defender 110, obviously Octa edition, then please come down to us here at TTW Defender Retrofit. We'll be glad to make sure the security is up to date, as well as obviously installing the latest generation Blackvue cameras.